There's day 2. So just getting a couple lines out because this copper line was leaking. Couldn't get it on camera when I turned the water on. Then we was replacing all the valves in the house because they was all kind of bad and they were all leaking. That's a 3/4 one, so I gotta go to the store and get another one. This what came up there. It's 2 of them. They put 3/4 up here, so one can go to the faucet, the other one goes to the dishwasher. And that's for the hot side, that is for the cold side. Getting this one cleaned off right here. This will clean off in the middle, and then we're gonna cut it right there and put some shark bite caps on it. That should be good enough right there. That's good enough. You just gotta cut it now. Look for the arrow that's on there. So the arrow is supposed to be facing, going the same direction. Bring it up just a little bit to the clean area. Push the other way. Look at the arrow. The arrow's on this side, so you go to the right. Yeah, so you're right. Keep going. Yeah, that's right. No, the other way. Yeah, there you go. To the right. Okay. Get really close. There you go. So you just hold one side with the bar pliers and then put one on the top. And twist to the left with the one on the bottom. Okay. Go the other way. No. Spin this around this way. And then go the other way. Come to me. So go the other way now, towards the wall. There you go, you almost got it. Pull it up. There you go. Hold the bike and then push all the way down. And then twist it to make sure and try to pull up on it. Okay. Same way. These are the only ones you'll put on where you just push it on like that and you don't need to do nothing else. Some people like to mark it, but you don't have to mark it every time. And then pull up on it to make sure it's not coming up. Okay. All right, a little quick disclaimer about my videos about my plumbing and my electrical. You always need permits for it when you're doing fix and flips, remodels, or something like that for the other person. But if you're a homeowner, you don't always need permits because if you're basically saying that you're going to be living in your home for the next, I forgot, 12, 24 months or something like that. So you as a homeowner don't have to get a permit for every electrical plug or every water line you fix or change out. As long as you know how to do the work and you do it safely, you should be good. And with that being said, thanks for watching and hope to see you on the rest of my videos. I'm going to be posting a whole lot more videos about my fix and flip journeys as a real estate agent and an investor. I'm a nurse also. I do quite a few things. I'm planning on adding loan officer and insurance agent soon. And I'm going to add videos on how to become a real estate agent. So stay tuned. There's going to be plenty of free videos for you to be able to check out so you can get started on your journey also.